Ladies and gentlemen, we've got the B-25 on the takeoff roll right here. 1,700 horsepower on each side. The right side full R-26. And in trail behind him, that is the Flying Fortress, the B-17. With four 1,200 horsepower radial engines. You notice all the different gun turret placements. That and the B-24 airport. But right now, ladies and gentlemen, direct your attention coming in. Side. Bomb bay doors are open as he comes down our show line there. You notice on the bottom of the fuselage, the bomb bay's open as he drops off his first load of work inside here. Oh yeah. It's our Tora B-17, the Flying Fortress, coming by in parade review. As that Purdy, he's got the bomb bay doors open on that as well. Do a little bit of cleanup work out there for us. Beautiful flat drop their streamers, how they drifted quite quickly off to the... All right, as we watch our Mitchell come right down the show line here again. Nice parade review pass right there, right down the show line there. He loads it up there, a couple bombs, fires off the guns. Oh yeah, he started a low turn out there off that left end zone. That's the B-17, the Yankee Lady. Again, you have the opportunity to fly in that aircraft, take a tour of it. Make sure you go down and talk to the team here with the Yankee Air Force. They'll be more than happy to tell you all about the opportunities that are available here. They also have their company store here. They've got some very interesting, some very unique souvenir opportunities here as well. We do want to also, as we watch the B-17 come by, you notice those big bomb bay doors open out there. Looks like they're taking a little bit of enemy contact there as they drop off their bombs there. Challenger, this year we've got the Jeep Wrangler, so again, it's always fun to see what our Hertz team has got in store for us. They try to get something unique each year, and they do an outstanding job. As you watch coming overhead right now, we've got our B-25 Mitchell bomber as we broadcast you live from the Meyer Airshow Tower. Thank you. As well as the Quality Inn by Choice Hotels. Coming by right now at a nice top platform view. They show a great photo opportunity. There it is, the Yankee Lady, the B-17.